Did you know that your daily food choices can literally poison your body chemistry? Consuming the wrong foods can lead to a toxic buildup. The food we eat plays a significant role in maintaining our overall health. However, many of us are unaware of the harmful effects that certain foods can have on our body chemistry. This can lead to various health issues, from digestive problems to chronic diseases. Fortunately, by making informed food choices, we can take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. The American Journal of Gastroenterology has found that a diet high in processed foods can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, leading to inflammation and digestive issues. For instance, consuming high amounts of sugar can cause an overgrowth of harmful bacteria, while a diet rich in fiber can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. Moreover, a study has shown that a diet low in fruits and vegetables can increase the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. Additionally, the journal notes that an imbalance of gut bacteria can also affect our mental health. Moreover, the consumption of foods high in saturated and trans fats can lead to an increase in cholesterol levels, putting us at risk for heart disease. On the other hand, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and walnuts, can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Furthermore, a diet high in sodium can lead to high blood pressure, while a diet rich in potassium can help lower blood pressure. The American Journal of Gastroenterology suggests that by monitoring our food intake and making healthier choices, we can significantly reduce our. In addition, the food we eat can also affect our energy levels and mental performance. Foods high in refined carbohydrates, such as white bread and sugary snacks, can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar followed by a crash, leaving us feeling lethargic and mentally foggy. In contrast, foods rich in complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains and fruits, can provide a sustained release of energy and support mental clarity. The journal recommends that we aim to include a variety of whole foods in our diet to maintain optimal energy levels and support overall health. Furthermore, the American Journal of Gastroenterology has found that a diet rich in antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, can help protect against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Foods high in antioxidants include berries, leafy greens, and other fruits and vegetables. Additionally, the journal suggests that a diet low in processed meats and high in plant-based foods can help reduce the risk of certain cancers. By incorporating these foods into our diet, we can take a proactive approach to maintaining our overall health and well-being. In conclusion, the food we eat has a profound impact on our body chemistry and overall health. By making informed choices and incorporating a variety of whole, nutrient-dense foods into our diet, we can take control of our health and reduce our risk of chronic diseases. This is the strongest point to consider when thinking about our food choices, as it can have a significant impact on our long-term health and well-being. The American Journal of Gastroenterology emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet in maintaining optimal health. So, what changes can you make to your diet today to support your overall health and well-being? What are some healthy food options that you can incorporate into your daily meals? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Remember, every bite counts, and the food we eat has the power to either harm or heal our bodies. By taking control of our food choices, we can take the first step towards a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.